Hey, this is Christian Ward from Berkshire Hathaway Home Services and Christian Ward Homes. Hey, I just read a really interesting article online from FamilyHandyman.com. It's one of my go-to sources for information about home maintenance. One of the things they were just talking about is if you're moving into a new home, there are a bunch of things that you might want to do. Some are more important than others, but the number one thing that you should do is put together a priority list and then sit on it for 24 hours just to see how that fits. Give each item a 1, a 2, or a 3, or if you have more items, but I think that's a good list. Number 1 would be things that have to do with safety or structure. Number 2 are items that could wait a little bit. Maybe they're cosmetic, maybe there changes are in the home that you want to do to make it more livable. And 3 are things that can be long-term. Maybe those are real luxury items, but it's a really good piece. And I can tell you that when Aylin and I moved into our home, one of the things we did is we had a little journal. And in that, we wrote down all the projects that we wanted to do at some time down the road. And as we went through, we would cross off the list. And it could be things like major redesigns, for example, redoing the kitchen, all the way to just painting a room, or even things like changing a toilet lid. There are so many things to do when you move into a new home, and it can feel overwhelming. So I found that this guide from FamilyHandyman.com is a real good resource to give you an idea what to do. I hope you enjoy it, and if you have any further questions or any questions about it, home maintenance, or the real estate market, consider me a resource. I have lots of resources available to me, from plumbers to electricians, as well as my own experience in purchasing and renovating homes. So give me a call or reach out to me if you ever have any questions. Make it a great day. I hope this guide is useful.